So you got some speed on that one.
I'm starting to wear the snow out. Or the ice on the street. Spin out. Hey, that's a simulation of black ice. You see that? You're okay? Oh, these streets are okay up here. My fucking fingers are frozen.
Get off the truck, Kenny.
Mm.